Welcome to the Politricks Watch. This is Sir P. Today, and again, we're going to cover the hearing of your favorite artists. I'm going to tell you now I'm going to take her from the latest round of the circus. Telling all the time, you know I'm being a bad man. If I'm going to say, you're a nerd, you're an informer, that's fine. I'll be a nerd, I'll be an informer. You know I'm being a bad man. Bad man, them a go out real bad. Bad man, them a go out real bad. I must say that's why they name bad man. Or is it because them down bad? As the Yankee them, that's it. Can't believe what we're witnessing in real time. Watching tough guys go out like this. It's almost like one of them showed up on, they call the channel Lifetime on them channel. Like some Days on the Restless. Netflix have to make a series. When tough guys go soft, what me I hear? I can't kill them, man. I can't daddy devil them, miss you all go on. When you realize the Barabbas legal team had even not try same innocent again. How many people pick up on that? How many people know this Barabbas legal team don't even try same innocent again? When them like go privy council, when them like go there with, what was the lead argument? Remember? What them do, they tamper with the phone and them get expert Billy Joe to tell them it's a phone tampered with to see that shows that means to the boss like it's my general. Be a foolishness. Them don't even look at it again. They've completely thrown that in the scrap heap. Them don't even try to Barabbas innocent again. Now they're playing on the heartstrings of the justice system. Remember? What was the original argument, sheep guy? Barabbas no do nobody nothing. Him not involved in no badness, no crime, nothing at all. He's an innocent youth. The system are set up. Remember? And go as far as to say Lizard not dead. Where the body? Remember that? What them do the dog? Then go so boom and then get the phone, see it and go to the phone and go so boom and put this in the phone and tamper with the phone dog. And then see it, Billy Joe said, he get tampered so from Billy Joe said so then I saw it go cause I say Billy Joe next to God. It's my G. Then it says Unicorn meet that whole phone thing was orchestrated by Barabbas in the first place. Him daddy them a privy council look on it, they didn't even spend a second on it. All you have to do is apply basic reasoning here. Prosecution can benefit from going back to take up the phone and trouble phone and send text messages and call from phone. Prosecution can benefit from that. So that the person they can be acting on the behalf of the prosecution to set up the body. It's nonsense. Any such phone tampering, that person be acting on the behalf of Barabbas, like how the juror member Livingston Kane was acting on behalf of Barabbas from day one. All of this was to free Barabbas. They did everything they could. I'm still not give up. But at least now, the whole innocent thing done. They don't even try to say Barabbas innocent anymore. Now them I tell you say Barabbas sick. I'm tell you about fear trial. Tell you about this and tell you about that. Horse dead and cow fat. Now a long time I tell you say Barabbas are dirty like sewage water, you know. Me that speak metaphorically still. Now them I say the actual heart of Barabbas have 50% capacity. I make it sound like I want phone. Like it not charge up all the way. Like it 50%. Barabbas, we will all die. Get that through your head, tough guy. I can't believe this is how Barabbas is going out. The man who call himself Daddy Devil. Me say Barabbas not sell a ball to God. People I say my article about see him lawyer say him give him life to God. Give him life to God. To a Barabbas body no must know God. They might give life to God for. Cause him sick. See that's my problem with you people. When you don't have all the fame and the hype back on the name and you have money in your pocket to spend and you can get beer kerosene and you can go in a go-go club, go buy out every girl, right, and get 10 million lap dance. When you start to forget so now flesh and bone. Start to forget you're mere dust. Start to forget how fragile the human body really is. So you start to speak reckless. Remember? Daddy Devil. I guess because Tommy Lee say my uncle demon. Barabbas say my daddy devil. Remember? Two of him bad, him don't even know no God. Me tell you a long time, Barabbas said, your real punishment not gonna be from no courts, no. Not gonna be no courthouse. The amount of destruction Barabbas forget about even the music side of it and the huge social and cultural cost Iron Man pay. Right. See like Barabbas, that Irish Saxon. Forget about that, me talk about actual events when him do. The amount of people in the grave, directly and indirectly cause of Barabbas, a man in jail a ball about heart. Him lucky him have a heart left. Heart is at 50%. That's 50% more than many of the people he's killed. That's 50% more than Rajic baby mother. That's 50% more. But maybe in a business about our cards, I gotta say, well, kerosene. More kerosene. Alright, cool. 50% more than the people in Barabbas met them killing at the Waterford triple murder. But the sicker rhymes beef that go down. The people who died in that triple murder had nothing to do with the war. Except being related to the wrong man. Sharp Snake and now telling the story. When Barabbas ear say, the man named Spear, the little pitney, Barabbas cuss. That the boy they will not tell me about our 50% heart left. That a whole heap for him. We're all going to die one day, Barabbas. Toughen up. Toughen up, daddy devil. What is he crying about? The many ghetto youths him get guns. Send go kill man. Then set them up for dead. And then set retaliation to kill back Smarty for that 87 day. Where him killing at the first place. Wait till you see the Jackie video. Wait till you see the massacre video. 50% a whole heap for him. People are talking, well, just from a humanitarian point of view, you know, I feel sorry for. That's why I'm really saying I'm so hurt about what's going on. Lies. You are a groupie masquerading as a humanitarian. That's it. Iron Man, Land of Woodwater and groupies. Everything them claim them stand for change when that's the famous side of them. Just I'm telling about Caroline Cooper, allegedly pro-black, allegedly pro-women. And who is our bestest buddy? Barabbas. The man who is the antithesis of pro-black. The Lord of the Irish Saxons. The Bleach Out Poppy Show, that's her best buddy. The man that not just degrade woman in every form and every way, but literally make man beat them till them piss at themselves. That's who Caroline Cooper son upside up. These are groupies masquerading as intellectuals. We're not impressed. Ask the man in the street, what have you learned from these intellectuals that made your life better? The answer is nothing. All they do is self-aggrandize and tell about them big title. They've done nothing to make Jamaica a better place in 60 odd years. Their rules only apply to men with no clout. When them say they're against men who are abusers, they mean the man who not on a clout. They mean the carpenter. They mean the bus conductor. Right? They might talk about you in the call center. Them not talk about no famous superstar. So don't tell me about your field surf Barabbas because you're a humanitarian. People get sick every day, B. You tough, right? The amount of Jamaicans lie down a public. The amount of Jamaicans lie down in the Spanish Town Hospital. Cornwall Regional. The amount of pitney. As innocent can get lie down in children's. And none of them drop on the knees and pray for them. But when I pray for Barabbas, daddy devil. You people are sick. Trying to disguise your groupieitis as humanitarian work. But, you know, it's a tragedy. You know what's a tragedy? 1 year old are dead. You know what's a tragedy? 1 year old all of them heart. That's a tragedy. You know what's a tragedy? Puss in Boots' son dying so young. That's a tragedy. Don't tell me about no Barabbas. A tragedy. He's lived a good life. He has made many lose theirs. Don't tell me about tragedy. You are a groupie. Baby. Down a public. Go kneel down in front of children's and pray for them picnic there. Groupie guy. Groupie girl. More see the whole on upon the knees. Line off in front of children's. Right. Sackcloth and ashes and water run down on the face into the business boat. The pain, and I don't want to see nobody suffering. 1 year old, 2 year old, 3 year old I suffer like dog. They've never hurt a soul. Unlike Barabbas. Don't tell me, but the reason why is because, I just, just the empathy. You are a groupie. People die every day, B. You tough, right? What's the matter? We will all die one day. If I not go into the car liquid on, if I not carry one JUTC bus, if I not that, then the hypertension or the diabetes, we will all die one day, guy. Right? Toughen up. Man, I tell him about, he's sick, give him another chance. He not give nobody chance. He not give nobody chance. It doesn't matter. Okay, so he killed people. Okay, he killed many people and he killed lizard, but still, we have to think about from a mercy. Well, by that logic, him should give lizard mercy. No, but lizard for dead. Remember them say lizard for dead cause lizard mixed up in a crime. But Barabbas for live. You people, your arguments are incoherent. So lizard for dead, deserve for dead cause they mixed up in a crime, but Barabbas for live. Even though mixed up in a crime, if you get a second chance. Why wasn't lizard given a second chance? Remember, Barabbas was walking around playing God. Him decide who live and who dead. Well, know him for decide one to him own fate. The Jamaican people who are telling you, say them heart are bleed for Barabbas cause them sick. These are groupies masquerading as humanitarians. Go down our children, gonna kneel down and pray. Them people they need it more than Barabbas. He's had a good run. He's lived a long life. He's experienced all life has to offer. Them pitting down our children's not live none. Since you're so caring, go down they gonna kneel down. But you won't because you're a groupie and them pitting them on a tune. The baby them down our children's have hole in their heart. Them not on a tune. Them not famous. And if them survive, then can't put on one stage show or go block off the whole of Kingston. That's what you really want, groupie guy. Excitement here, look. A stage show you want? You want something like a budget you get? Long walk to freedom. Show you look, a stage show you look. So you can dress up. So you can put on fancy clothes and boot. So your TikTok can get lit. IG lit. Hype you look. What you think about the stage show? It's gonna be big. But our money depend deathbed must put on stage show. I'm confused. People are saying, yo, when the man come and road down that the stage show, that's gonna be the biggest stage show in Jamaica. Our man must the stage show with 50% time out of work. I don't understand, you know, go drop down and dead on the stage. Which one is it? Is he so sick he can't function? He's so sick he can't function, don't have the strength for brushing your teeth. But then he might put on this hell of a stage show and perform for one. Kind of go perform for about 3 hours in the car. Remember when you're gone so long, you're gonna run out the whole set. So you're not gonna drop down and dead. I don't want to see him drop down and dead in front of him. So only can get the video for upload and then get views go through the number. I don't know. It's just not adding up. But the quote unquote Christian guy who hear man say F in the church, getting a spirit, show him want go the stage show too. No one tell you say, oh well it's because my heart is so forgiving. You don't forgive your neighbor that you had an argument with 2 years ago. You can't forgive your neighbor feet. You can't forgive your father. Remember say Barabbas said to him body no must know God. Remember Jamaicans are allegedly the most God-fearing people on earth. Barabbas debunked it. He gradually tested the waters. First thing come out with a little one line where I see the reaction from these so-called, God-fearing people. Oh, them love that too? Oh, them alright. Them push the boundaries a little more. Alright, confess. Oh, that too? And if I run at the pastor lap, Barabbas say, oh, them people don't believe in nothing. Them people are wicked just like me. So watch your if not the church getting a spirit. Hit song. Hit song. There is no way you can get a hit song in Saudi Arabia by saying if not the mosque. There is no way no DJ can get a hit in Israel by saying if not the synagogue. No Buddhist guy can get a hit right in Asia by saying if not the temple. Man get hit song out of saying if not the church. Jamaicans are frauds. When them tell about God, ask them which God them a talk about. Them not believing in nothing but hype. Nothing but hype. Now you are telling about Daddy Devil 50% of him heart. I will eat that. We will all die one day, Barbas. Toughen up. Toughen up, bro. You're going out real bad here. One day, just like you, just like everybody else, I will also croak. Toughen up, Barbas. I don't understand me here from bad man in jail, you know. Remember, Barbas tell you them say, when Shatta got jail, he can get steamed fish and lobster tail. Still seeing email. Remember Barbas when Shatta got jail? Yeah, Shatta, right? What the problem, dog? Toughen up. Barbas tell you to say, you can't go jail, go live life like him a king. Where you want to live king life for? You want to be peasant? Live like a king in there. You know, Shatta? Look how much clothes and boot Barbas have in there. Him have all the clothes and boot. Dress up and play a tune them and live like a king, man, you. This is shambolic. Me can't believe a bad man me see a go on so. Me can't believe a Daddy Devil me see in a jail a go on so, you know. Me see them put out all statements from all Cairo. That's Kahiro, they call him Cairo. Man I say miss intimacy. My youth, you in a jail about niggle eye. My youth, or you must take up badness. Something that is very likely to make you go prison. And then in a prison a ball say you miss niggle eye. If you did love niggle eye that much, you know when you go nowhere near? Badness. That's why enough 87 of them man, they tell you already enough of them are sprat. The idea of being locked up behind walls and bars with nothing but BS feedback around me traumatized me. It traumatized me more than a shootout. It traumatized me. The thought of going to prison, go rub shoulders with Barbas them, traumatized me more than any amount of gunman a fire for me. Been there, done that. In a shootout, adrenaline alone turning a Superman. You do things they never know possible. Afterwards, you really think to yourself, damn, I almost dead, you know. But in a prison, the adrenaline now pump. You're very aware what I want. You're very aware, so there's nothing but feedback here. What may I do this, sir? Them boy, coward like dog. Never yet get a charge. How is that a flex? The DJ guy, the rapper guy has made it now where it is cool to get charged and go jail. Me no want to spend one night in a jail with man. Niggle like that jail? Titty that jail? Me need my regular back massage from my woman. Me not have time for jailhouse, brother. No care, me no want to go up on a shooting. No call me for no drive by. Me no want to go. Me a dinosaur now. Me need my foot and my back and my neck to get rubbed regular that can't go on a chill. So me a doing there. Kyra ball say miss intimacy. In other words, niggle I'm a look. These dummies had all the money and the fame and the hype. Kyra, I'm talk to you. You can't think for yourself. Kyra enough for them nowhere near Barbas them, you know. Kyra. Enough of them youth they were their own Barbas. Even the same lizard will end up dead. Enough them enough, you know, and caught up in the video light of the Gaza hype, you know. In the Barbas system, you have youths who are actual demons. And then you have the youth them with enough and a follow back a Barbas cause I'm hype and in Clout. In a Barbas system, you have the youth them like Jackie, you have the youth them like Roderick, Ling and them youth there. Them youth there actually get off from taking life. Right? Them youth there are habitual murderers. The fact that Jamaica have Ling and walk on the road, right, in itself is a failing of the system. But you have that group. Enough of them. Can't bother anymore the whole of them now. But then you have the one them like Cairo. You have the one them like Lizard. You have the one them like you to turn witness. Them youth there, I follow them, you know. Enough them, you know. Caught up in the Gaza hype. Want to impress Barbas. So that's why you see man that jail about intimacy, Clout. That's how him became quote unquote Dan. That's how he can run place. Because his name so big. Think about this. If you try run back a Dan with us have one look one deer car and one gold chain. And I said, the man that me general. Remember say, you've seen it. The man them call Thickman, God on earth. And Thickman now have 20%, not even 10 of the height, clout, fame of Barabbas. People that get drawn into Thickman. People that get drawn into Bunman. People that get drawn into Bulby. Imagine when somebody who is just as crooked and corrupt but is a superstar. You them they have sense cut from run Barabbas to fool one them get drawn in. Jamaican youth guy. Young Jamaican male. Do not be distracted. Do not be deluded. This is badness. This is what badness leads to. Have you in a jail ball but you miss Eagle Eye? When them tell you about when Shatta go to jail, he still collect him emails. In a real life, mean that ball. I mean eye water ball. What kind of kill them ya? What kind of shatter them? What kind of thugs them ya? When they say, man when they get charged, I'm not real but you're soft. Who's the soft one now? Come on bro, toughen up. Quit crying, you tough right? So, let me say this to the man them. With the Barabbas case about him. Since I miss road so much, I want to miss Eagle Eye so much, I want to start family. I want to start this. Either you turn witness or shut the hell up forever, bro. You don't think you can work out something. But either you turn witness or tap a nice now he is. Cause we now go out real bad. Turn witness or shut up. Obviously you know we have to sit back for watch to see what will happen. You actually Lego Barabbas and it will be extraordinary, but it's impossible. But if them say retrial, man have to go to turn witness or tap a nice now he is, bro. You must say Barabbas is an informer, you know. I'm telling you, say Barabbas is an even bigger informer than me. Do you know how much of an informer you have to be a bigger informer than me? I'm a big informer, but me can't reach the level where Barabbas set. Man message me, yo, stop telling me you're an informer. No, that's disrespectful. Not because of the word informer, which is a badge of honor for me, but because you are downgrading my rank. Right? So I'm not an informer, I'm a big informer. Address me accordingly. One night for the know say, no for man them since I'm in a prison realize what I think about Barabbas. I know enough of them wish them go to turn witness. I know enough of them wish them did follow the actual witness and go turn witness too. When they realize how Barabbas devious, you know. So turn witness are tapping nice. If them say retrial, turn witness, or shut up. When they make fun of people who never get charged, who never go jail later and say, no, fool. No. What kind of bad man they? What kind of dan them here? Zeke's in a prison. They on him last tour. Forget about last leg. Zeke's in a prison, they on him last tour. If man did I get Lego because they're sick, Zeke's would have the road long time, guy. So them Lego Barabbas under the pretext of, well, he's so sick, them have to go Lego every sick man in a jail. The president should be set. Guess what? Every lawyer will be demanding in a courthouse, Lego my client too. Because my client even sicker. If Barabbas have 50% left on him heart battery capacity, my client only have 10. So Lego him, since Lego Barabbas, the president would be set. Anyway, Patreon Squad, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know, more life. Vulture Squad, stay circling. Bless.